Ram Restoration reached out and wanted to get more involved. They've always been a good partner. So we told them about some projects we had going on that we needed help with. They offered to renovate our press box, which is several decades old.
I hadn't been in that press box in 20-something years. It's been a long time since that place has had a coat of paint on it or renovated. When I heard that we had the opportunity to do this, I said, absolutely, we've got to do this.
They were gracious enough to come in and install new flooring. They upgraded the walls, installed new countertops, brand new windows, paint, branding, the whole nine. Redesigned it a bit to give it a more modern look.
Start tearing it apart. Pulled all the carpet out, the wife and daughter and son and the office staff, the people that are answering the phones are up there, ripping carpet out, scraping paint off of walls. Getting to remodel that was a lot of fun. I mean, that was truly a joy. 80% of the joy was just seeing the staff up there. People that normally don't pick up a hammer to go up there and do that, it was kind of cool. It was a true joy. To give back to Centerville, I remember when my son signed up for football. I owned a landscape company back then. Football fell into that fall season. Cash flow came to a halt. Paying those fees, now they're look like little fees, but at the time it was a struggle. Let's just say a major portion of that school system where the parents do pay those fees. But there's a major portion to where those kids can't play that sport because they can't afford those fees. So that's why I got involved. Because I want to eliminate that. Those kids are going to play. It doesn't matter how rich the community is. Not every family has the money. So we're going to give back. It was a community that gave a lot to us. It's time to give back. And we got a lot more giving to do, a lot more.
It's extremely important when you have the ability to participate and help, especially in our school system. This is our future we're talking about. These are our kids.
You get involved with Centerville and that community. It's been there for me. So how else can we give back? Let's give back to the youth, to the next generation.